Meaning of hairdressing.
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 Hairdressing. Hairdressing refers to the art and practice of cutting, styling, and arranging hair in an attractive way. Hairdressers use their skills and creativity to create hairstyles that match their clients' personalities, lifestyles, and preferences. They may also provide hair treatments, such as coloring, perming, and straightening, to enhance the beauty and health of the hair. The result of a professional hairdressing session should leave the client feeling confident, refreshed, and satisfied with their new look. Good hairdressing requires both technical expertise and artistic flair, making it a highly valued profession in the beauty industry.